So I have got a 95% chance of quitting YouTube, and staying in YouTube will be the 5% chance. I feel like on my last video I said in the description I am ungrateful, but quitting has been on my mind for a long time. I realise it's just, I don't think I'm really going to get anywhere on this channel, so I might as well just end it. If you care, not a lot of people do care, so if you want me to come back anytime, all you have to do is like comment. I don't care about likes or subscribes, just comment that you want me back. And I just want people, I don't think anybody actually cares, except there is 95 people I know subscribe to me, but I feel like I don't know if any of them come back daily to watch my videos. So I feel like if I'm not getting anyone watching, no one's liking the videos, I just might as well quit. If you've watched to the end, thanks. Bye. Been a long day without you, my friend.